And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 89. Let me show the frame tool. It's easy to use, only has two modes. This would be the ellipse mode, the second one, and the first one is the rectangle mode. And depending on the layer that you've got active, that's going to basically crop the layer into this zoom frame. So the first one here was white, second one was empty. Let me do that again here on a white one. Oh, we've got a white frame. Let me create a layer and I make it red. It becomes more obvious. So we've got white backgrounds and now a red layer. I use the frame tool. I'm on the red layer and there you go. So this is now basically clipped to this frame. And behind we still have our white background. Let me delete it and show you a use case. We actually use photos for that. Photo number 2 at first. Let's set to rectangle. I left click drag. And now you crop this photo. But it's not a real crop. As I've said, it's more like a clip. So you can still resize that and even beyond the frame. And the photo will appear. When you've got it active, make sure that you're on the frame icon. You can give it a stroke. Let me make that black, 25 pixels. You can also resize and reposition it here numerically. And then you can move it around. But be careful, I move the frame around when I'm on the frame icon. When I'm on the image icon, I move the image inside of the frame around. So that's an important distinction here. You also see the Edit Contents button right here. You can left click on it or double click on the frame or double click on the image icon in the Layers menu, and then you can adjust your image if you want that. We'll go back. Let me show you the second image, and this time I use the ellipse mode. Left click drag, and it's the same game. So you can resize that, reposition that, give it a stroke, and edit the content. And these are the basics of the frame tool in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.